Taiwan's Adimmune COVID-19 vaccine successful animal trials and may start human trials. Taiwan's Adimmune Corporation announces collaboration with NHRI to begin human trials. Taiwanese vaccine manufacturer Adimmune Corporation announced on May 4 that one of the company's candidate vaccines for the novel coronavirus, COVID-19, has been proven effective in animal trials. According to Adimmune, the animal testing was orchestrated by Chong Sui-yuan, a professor at the National Taiwan University (NTU) Department of Clinical Laboratory Sciences and Medical Biotechnology. The company said Chong and her team have applied the vaccine to coronavirus-infected laboratory mice and found that the mice have developed neutralizing antibody titration of the deadly virus. Adimmune told a news conference in Taipei that it had designed and produced 4 prototypes of antigens to fight the virus based on its recombinant protein technology, and tested one prototype in a Biosafety Level 3 (BSL-3) lab at National Taiwan University (NTU). The tests gave us encouraging results and we feel confident. However, given that the novel coronavirus mutates, we need to run tests on more virus strains to see if the candidate will work against most of them, Chong said. After completing the animal tests interim analysis to make sure its candidate is safe, Adimmune would apply to conduct Phase 1 clinical trials in August, and commence Phase 2 and Phase 3 trials in the first quarter next year, Steve Chan said, chairman and CEO of Adimmune Corporation. Adimmune hailed the new findings as an important milestone for Taiwan and said the company will collaborate with the National Health Research Institutes (NHRI) to launch live human trials of the coronavirus vaccine. It added that the human testing will proceed as soon as possible once it receives approval from the country's legal department, reported Storm Media. Although the results of the vaccine testing have injected hope into the Taiwanese medical world, Adimmune chairman Steve Chan previously pointed out that the production process of the vaccine would be a challenge. He said an independent production line would have extremely high costs due to the unstable and contagious nature of COVID-19, reported ANU. The research team hopes that manufacturing can begin in June, General Manager Dr. Chung Cheng-lu told the News Lens. If the company succeeds in its lobbying of the government's regulatory agency, clinical human trials could start as early as July. This would require the government's emergency authorization, Lu added. The company's goal is to start mass production of the vaccines in December if it gains approval of an emergency use authorization by the Taiwanese regulators, before gaining marketing approval next year, Steve Chan said. Founded in 1965, Adimmune Corporation (ADIM) is the only influenza vaccine manufacturer with both EU GMP and US FDA certification in Asia, as well as the only PIC/S GMP manufacturer of human vaccines in Taiwan. ADIM's major products include trivalent influenza vaccine, tetravalent influenza vaccine, influenza A H1N1, virus monovalent vaccine, Japanese encephalitis vaccine (JEV), and tetanus toxoid, and purified tuberculin. The drug being developed would only require one pill to be taken daily. Hopes of finding a successful treatment have so far centered on the American drug remdesivir. In recent studies, patients receiving remdesivir recovered a little faster from COVID-19.